Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix KineMaster video editing application problem. A new version is available. It's faster and more stable. Update now problem in KineMaster application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in KineMaster application. Go to Apps Info. Click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store, go to search KineMaster app. Update your KineMaster application latest version. You make sure your KineMaster application is up to date. You can follow all of the steps to fix KineMaster. A new version is available. It's faster and more stable. Update now problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.